Miles beneath the ocean's surface, volcanoes erupt in total darkness. They shape the seafloor, build new mountains, and power entire ecosystems we've barely begun to understand. This is the hidden world of underwater volcanoes.
Beneath the waves lies a world few have seen, and even fewer truly understand. Along the ocean floor, vast mountain ranges stretch for thousands of miles, volcanic ridges born from the slow tearing of tectonic plates. These submerged giants are the planet's longest continuous chain of mountains, yet they remain largely hidden, drowned beneath miles of open water. Here, in the crushing darkness, Earth's molten interior meets the frigid weight of the sea. Magma rises from the mantle, cools on contact, and forms new crust, a process both violent and delicate, steady and chaotic. Each eruption redraws the seafloor, each fissure a reminder that our planet is alive. But the geology is only part of the story. Around these volcanoes, life thrives in forms we once thought impossible. Without sunlight, ecosystems are powered not by photosynthesis, but by chemistry. At the center of it all are hydrothermal vents, natural chimneys that spew scalding, mineral-rich water into the cold, deep sea. To human eyes, it seems hostile. To life down here, it's home. Tube worms with blood-red plumes, ghostly white crabs, translucent fish. They've all adapted to conditions that would kill most surface species. Some endure temperatures near boiling. Others survive entirely in darkness. And many rely on bacteria that turn toxic chemicals into energy, a process known as chemosynthesis. It's a food chain with no sun, just heat, minerals, and time. These hydrothermal communities are fragile, yet ancient. Some vents erupt violently and collapse within years. Others remain stable for decades. But when they vanish, so too do the ecosystems they sustain. A fleeting harmony between geology and biology, written in plumes of steam. Even more remarkable is how much these volcanoes shape the oceans above. As magma rises and cools, it releases nutrients like iron and manganese, elements critical to life. Ocean currents carry these nutrients upward, feeding plankton blooms near the surface. And from those blooms, an entire marine food web emerges. From krill to whales, sardines to sharks. What happens in the deep doesn't stay there. It echoes to the surface. In this way, underwater volcanoes serve as both destroyers and creators. They fracture the Earth's crust, but they also fuel life. They release toxic gases, but they also sustain coral reefs. They're violent, unpredictable, and often hidden, yet essential to the health of the ocean. They build mountains, shape continents, alter climate, and forge new paths for life to follow. If this hidden world fascinated you, there's more waiting in the deep. Subscribe to explore the places most never will, the ancient, the unknown, and the forgotten. As we rise from the depths back toward the surface, the scale of it all becomes clear. Each wave, each current, each breath of ocean mist carries echoes from the deep. A signal from the planet's core, translated through pressure, heat, and chemistry. It's easy to forget this world exists. We live above it, far removed, separated by distance, darkness, and pressure. But beneath it all, the planet breathes. And in that breath, volcanoes whisper stories of resilience, of destruction, and of strange, beautiful beginnings. The ocean has many secrets. This is just one of them, and perhaps one of the most important. Stay curious. The next story might just change how you see the world.